Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to track steps on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to know is you can track your steps on Apple Watch using the built-in application or use third-party application like Pedometer++. So in this case, I'm going to show you how you can check or track all your steps on your Apple Watch using the built-in application. Now, the first thing to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once to exit the watch face. Locate and click on the activity hub. Then on the activity hub, this is what you're going to see. Now, just use the digital crown to scroll down or swipe down on the screen until you get to where you say steps. And here you can see, you should see your step counter, the distance covered, and the flight climbed. In my own case, I've taken about 135 steps and the distance covered is about 304 feet. So the distance covered is in feet and then the step counter. If you climbed any flight, then you should see the flight climbed. If you scroll down again, you should see no activity recorded today. So if you have previous activities on your Apple Watch, then you should see them after the steps and distance. So while walking or taking your walk, you can just go ahead, click on the digital crown, open the activity center, then swipe down until you get to steps. Once you start the activity for the day, then you'll be able to have access to the step count. And that's it. So that's exactly how to track steps on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.